because it's been a very long winter.
But we're getting closer to spring, and while people enjoyed today's temperatures, they didn't love the wind or the damage it caused. Good evening, I'm Jessica Coons. Paul is off tonight. There were tornado watches and warnings across the area today, and those strong winds knocked down some trees and caused some brief power outages. WCIA 3's Ty Bateman is live in Champaign for us tonight. Ty, you were out there earlier. How's the wind now compared to earlier today?
Well, in parts of central Illinois earlier today, we reached about 61 miles per hour of winds. And right now we're actually sitting around 40 miles per hour. But that didn't stop people who had a little cabin fever. Old Glory waved high while limbs from a split and fallen tree laid low.
Sounds like a bunch of animals like running.
Wind gusts snapped power lines. Ameren crews made it to John and Kenwood, and cars had to be rerouted, while others decided to take a route of their own to the park for a walk.
Oh, it's been pretty bad. We had to stop a conversation partway through because couldn't get the words out.
But the howling winds made it difficult for just about anyone who went outside.
It's really strong. Earlier, when I was driving to the park, I saw a tree that's been fallen down.
The 6th grade Jefferson Middle School student took advantage of warmer conditions on his first day of spring break.
I've really been just staying at home and playing games, but I decided, since the weather was really nice today, except for the wind, I decided to come out here. I'm not really a big fan of strong winds. It usually annoys me.
While it may be annoying to have the winds, many of us are ready to say goodbye to Old Man Winter.
I cannot wait for spring to get here.
Now, if you're wondering, the wind will be sticking around tomorrow, but they won't be as strong as they were today. And of course, meteorologist Kevin Lighty will be in with more on what you can expect in his full forecast later in the newscast. But for now, live in Champaign, Ty Bateman, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Ty, thank you. Those